Assisted Living Care Center Master Class. Are you looking for a great return on your investment? Are you looking for a turnkey investment? Are you looking for something that could be a cash cow? Did you know that each room in an ALC can rent for $4,000 to $5,000 per month? But you have to know what to do. How to find the right type of property. How to get the right type of zoning and permits. How to maximize your number of units. How to get guaranteed rent every month. And much, much more. We have a step-by-step Assisted Living Care Center Masterclass taught by a certified subject matter expert in ALCCs. If you're not getting a 30% cap rate on your investments, you need to give us a call. Email us at info@multiservicebusinessnetwork.com, 773-372-9656.